As you may be aware, Honor Malaysia is gearing up to launch its latest Honor 400 series, and one of the key highlight features is its next-gen AI imaging technology. And of course, to be the best, it needs a capable camera system. And Honor is very confident with its offering on the Honor 400 Pro. This will be a simple video showing off the Honor 400 Pro's camera setup and its powerful AI imaging features that could shape the way we edit photos and videos on our phone. Let's start with the hardware. The Honor 400 Pro boasts a flagship 200 megapixel main camera powered by a large 1/1.4-inch sensor and support by both optical and electronic image stabilization, so your shot stays sharp and steady. It also features a versatile 12 megapixel camera that functions as both an ultra-wide and macro lens. And the third camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and up to 50 times digital zoom. It even uses AI super zoom to enhance image quality by up to 50%. There's also a macro zoom mode that solves the common shadow issue, perfect for ultra close-up shot. To make your photos and videos more fun and interesting, the Honor 400 series comes with an advanced built-in editing app. Yes, all are built-in and you don't need to install separate apps to edit your photos and video. Got an old low-resolution photos? Use AI upscale to breathe new life into it. The difference is striking. Need more room in your photos? Try AI outpainting with generative fill. It naturally extends your image boundaries without making it look artificial. Want to animate your memories? Use image to video to bring still photos to life before sharing them with your friends and family. You can check out my previous videos on how the image to videos work. Capture a great shot of your family with a nice background, but there's a random passerby in the background. No worry, with AI Eraser 2.0, simply remove unwanted objects or people using the AI Eraser passerby or circle them manually for removal. Want to have a bit of fun? Add a giant Godzilla photo booms in the background. Use AI cut to reposition the elements in the photos and then animate the scenes using the same image to video. The possibilities are endless. You can even become your very own director with a built-in video editing app, complete with advanced tools for creating mobile shorts, videos, or a holiday vlog. Not in the mood to edit? Just use the AI-powered Instant Movie. Dump all the videos or photos you want and let the AI automatically create a polished, seamless video for you. The Honor 400 series will be launched in Malaysia on 22nd of May, so mark your calendar to learn the pricing, availabilities, and exclusive promotion. I'll be bringing this device to Taiwan next week and we'll be sharing more photos and video taken with the Honor 400 Pro. We'll be sharing them on my IG. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next one.